Hi all, Josh Ledgard here from Kickofflabs, the audience growth platform. Today I want to talk a little bit about the default social sharing images for campaigns. Here's a quick tip. If you're setting up a campaign with AnyForm, the challenge with that is that AnyForm is meant to connect to a form on your site. If you're hosting the site on Wix, on Squarespace, on any other self-hosted platform, and you've just got our AnyForm script, we don't replace your social sharing images that you've set up on that site. What Facebook and Twitter and most other social networks are going to do is they're going to pick the defaults from the site where you've built it. So if you built the site on Wix, you're going to have to set up the social sharing on Wix. If you've custom built HTML, you're going to have to set it up there. I still recommend setting these default social network settings because if, as in the case in this example, I've got a status page set up and somebody for whatever reason accidentally shares their status page, you still want to set up those Facebook and social network defaults on the status page. But in most cases, people are going to be sharing the page that you've set up AnyForm on, probably because that's the form page we're going to ask them to set up. That is the location you'll need to set the social media defaults on, is wherever you're hosting that campaign.